Welcome students. My name is Kim Cabelleza. I'm a 5th grade teacher in Almaj. For today's lesson, I wanted to give you all a tutorial for how to get started with Google Classroom. Topics included in this video: how to join Google Classroom, parts of Google Classroom, assessment in Google Classroom, how to send output, and how will your teacher give you grade. First part, how to join Google Classroom. First thing you need to do is to make sure that you are using your own Google email address. If you do not have your Gmail address yet, just click the link in the description below and follow the instruction. Once you are done, type Google Classroom in the search bar, then click it. After clicking, a new window will appear like this, and you have to click Continue. Once you are done, the next window you will see is just simply like this. Before joining any class, your subject teachers will give you class code for specific subjects. Once you have a class code, just click the Add button next to the icon of your Gmail account, join class, and enter the code. After entering the code, each subject will appear on the window, like what I have here. To enter the class discussion, just click the specific room you need to attend and it will turn like this. Congratulations! You are now in the classroom. Parts of Google Classroom. Now let us talk about the parts of the Google Classroom. On the upper left corner, you will see a three-lined button. This button will open the slide tab where you can see your classes enrolled in, calendar where you can see the deadline of your practical activities given by your teachers, and the subjects you have in the classroom. Going back to the subjects room, on the upper middle of the subject's title, you can click the following button: the stream, where you and your teacher mostly communicate; classroom, where all the topics of your subject are given; and people, where you can see the name of your teacher and your classmates. Assessment in Google Classroom. Going back to Stream, in this tab, your teacher will post most of the reading materials and videos that you can use in your study. If your teacher asks a question on the stream, you have to write your answer on the comment section below. Do not share something on the stream, not unless your teacher allows you to do so. If your teacher gives you an activity to work with, just click that Stream tab where it allows you to see the attached files. Most of the instructions are all written here. Click the materials given and it will open the task your teacher gives. How to send output. For you to send the activity you need to submit, click the Add or Create button and finish your work with the following Office Tool application given on the option below: Documents, Slides, Sheets, Drawing. You can use your own Office tools and upload it here by clicking the File button. Once you are done, click the Submit button and turn it in. Congratulations! You have submitted your practical activity. Last part. How will your teacher give you grade? Once you have done submitting your activity, your teacher then will evaluate it before turning it back to you with the grade. Your grade will be visible on the slide left corner of the Attaching File tab. You can use the Private Comment tab if you want to ask or clarify something to your teacher privately. Congratulations! You are now an expert. Till next time, students. Goodbye.